I had no idea.
Yeah, that's legit yours, dude.
Wow, man.
So today I've got an awesome video for you guys. It is surprising my cousin with an entire gaming PC and setup. I'm talking monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and a gaming PC all together. And none of this is possible without the hard work and dedication of myself. And you guys, because you guys keep watching the videos, supplying views, buying new merch like this, which is not a shameless plug, but it totally is. Clicking on the Amazon affiliate links and sponsored ad links, and with the help of Zowie. They've helped me out with this video by supplying the XL2536, which is an awesome gaming monitor, and stick to the end of the video to find out how you can get a nice discount on it, and also supplying the S1 and S2 mouse for my cousin to choose between them to find whichever one best suits his hand, and a Zowie mouse fitting kit to get familiar with all the shapes offered by Zowie. So all this in culmination really makes an awesome surprise and something that is special and unique. And on top of that, to give a little context and background of the relationship with me and my cousin, is that we've been close all together my entire life. He's my surrogate little brother, per se. All I have is one sister. Sure, I have other cousins, but we were always the closest growing up. We grew up on video games, a lot of video games. Not to mention, I haven't seen him in 5 years. So the fact that I haven't seen him in 5 years really makes this even more of a surprise. Not to mention, he just graduated high school and had his 18th birthday. So all this comes together for a really neat surprise. So let's get into it. The Deepcool Castle EX is one of the few AAO liquid coolers that give AAOs a comeback, featuring better cooling performance than the Noctua NHD15, anti-leak technology, an insanely quiet pump, and virtually inaudible sound production at idle speeds, all at an attainable price. Imagine that. Find out more information in the description below. So we're going to go over the parts list really quick. We got a Ryzen 7 1700. This is an 8-core 16-thread processor. It's beautiful. It's great. We got an AX370 motherboard, the Gaming 5. I've covered this about 2 years ago. Man, that's a long time ago, but it's a great motherboard. And we got some Trident Z RGB RAM. We have a GTX 1060 over here, which is pretty standard. It's going to game at 1080p, no problem. Got a 3 terabyte Barracuda drive in there. All right, then for the SSD, so I'm just going to use this 120 gig SSD. It's fine. It's just going to put the OS and some programs on there, and then everything else is going to be on the hard drive. So, and then cool in the R7 1700, we have this beautiful Castle 240X, and I did a review on the 360X or 360EX, and it is a fantastic cooler. Make sure to check out the review in case you guys are wondering about this cooler. Then we got the MWE650 Gold from Cooler Master, fully modular. This is supposed to be plenty fine, and 650 watts should be enough for this build. And then we got this RGB 200EX. This thing is fantastic. I mean, it adds at least 300 FPS. All right, over here we have the TechWare Phantom RGB keyboard. It's mechanical, it's brown switches. And then we have the Matrix 70 case over here from Deepcool as well. Even the power supply shroud is glass, so it's gonna look really cool with all the RGB LEDs in there. And then we're gonna dress it up with some RGB fans. Oh, look at that, RF120Ms. These are nice fans. I really like them. And then for other peripherals, we have the Zowie S1 or the S2. So he's gonna try out both, whichever one works out best with him. We're going to use that one for him. We're going to send the other one back. I'm working with Zowie on this as well, so a huge and massive shout out to them for working with me on this project, because this is highly appreciative. Yeah, so huge shout out to Zowie for helping with this build, because they also supplied the XL253-6 XL monitor. This is a 144 Hz 1080p 1 millisecond response time monitor, so this thing is definitely built for gaming, and Zowie's very focused with gaming. So let's get this thing built. set and ready to go here. We got everything packed. And of course, you know, as soon as I'm about to leave, we got a thunderstorm going on right now. It's just great. It's fantastic. It was nice all week, all day. But no, when I need to drive 5 hours, no, we got a thunderstorm, don't we? It's great.
It is so bad, I cannot see anything, and yes, you're probably saying, wow, he's recording while he's doing this, what an idiot. But it's honestly fine, it's honestly fine. That was a lot of lightning right there. Oh my god, this is so bad.
Sick shirt, bro. Thanks, man.
I was sweating.
Took an ice cube from the floor and just put it in my drink.
Ew. Ew.
I'm not drinking this. I was so like pleased. So I'll drink it anyway.
That's some high quality wood floor in there.
So unfortunately, the shotgun microphone on the camera decided to crap out on me and make this wonderful scraping effect to just annoy anyone that's listening to it. I'll try to extrapolate some of the audio from it, but if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out.
It's a mermaid!
Oh wow. Oh my goodness.
That's for you, man.
Wow. Okay.
No, that's nice.
Wow.
It's actually a decent computer.
I was like, did you guys get me a pet?
Yeah, we got you a pet. And it's got 16 gigs of RAM.
Even the keyboard, I'm like, what?
I know.
What, four different colors.
I had no idea.
Yeah, that's legit yours, dude.
Wow, man.
Yeah. See, yeah. I mean, when the next Xbox comes out, it'll be pretty nice, but I mean, this will be pretty nice too.
Pretty nice too, yeah.
Of course, I took a ton of time making this video, and getting to the actual reaction is the one point in the video that I did not want to mess up. And of course, it messes up. So I'm sincerely sorry, but there's nothing I can do, and it is frustrating, but that's all I can do. I'm sorry. So we decided to get him fitted for his mouse, which he decided to go with the S2 instead of the S1 because the S2 is slightly smaller. He went through the entire Zowie mouse fitting kit. He had no idea there was different shapes of mices or mouses, whatever you want to call it. They're both grammatically correct, by the way. And I thought that was a pretty neat thing to do from Zowie. So from that to the new monitor, from everything that he has, he's pretty impressed by it. And my cousin isn't the type of one to show a ton of emotions through himself, but trust me, he is very, very grateful for this. He even wrote me a card, which was nice to see, and that came in the mail not too long ago, and now I'm going to put that up on the screen here. And for the sake of the video, we decided to re-record the entire reaction with a little bit more dramatization. So here's that. All right, Joe, this is your PC now. I couldn't hold it back any longer, man.
You got this for me.
Yeah, are those real man tears? Yes. Oh my god. I had to, man. This is for you.
Let me wipe these away. These are real tears.
Look, it says your name.
Here's my name.
All yours. We're all crying here. I'm really happy how this turned out. Even though the audio got fluffed in the reaction, I'm really glad how this turned out. Either way, you guys really made this happen. This is the second time of doing this. The first time I surprised my best friend with an entire gaming PC and setup. And that took months of planning, so did this one. And to let you guys know about that monitor, that there's an $80 discount, which is a pretty decent discount on this monitor with the link in the description below. You have to use that link to get the $80 off, so just make sure of that. Either way, I hope you guys feel compelled to support the channel and subscribe if you haven't already, and feel like that there's something here that is just myself, not just reviews and products. There's something more to this channel than just trying to shove products down your throat and get Amazon affiliate links in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.